Go, may epilepsy. Oh, God.
Let's finish it. Oh, hey. Oh, galaw na.
Here we go.
Brisbane style, yo. In the house.
Christian, come on, Christian.
Oh, hindi na yun. Nakakahiya na sa bahay.
Talo ka ron,
James, James. Ayun na, James. Oh, shit.
Baco! Right away! Yeah, I'm filming, man. Come on.
No more, man. No more enough, man. Oh, no more. Let's go, Chris. Push him, man. Go, Chris. Go. No, the way he moves is so smooth.
Alright, James. Judge number one, what's up, man?
Come on, let's go.
He's definitely got some moves.
Come on, James.
Okay, let's see. That's at number 2.
He did it.
Let's see. Alright. Come on, James. Come on, man. Alright, let's go.
Jonas!
Whoa, man.
Ay, si Kaloy naman.
Kaloy!
Oh, Noel!
Oh, yeah, Brisbane boy. Like maintenance, man. Maintenance.
Patulogin nila ito kung ginawa nyo.
Paano pabugso-bugso?
Di mo kaya.
Do it again, man.
Do it again, the one that you did before.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, do it again. That was cool.
I've never seen that. That's some unique style, man. Come on, man.
If you would have done that in that dance course,
Yeah, you would have won.
yeah, that's stopping body shit.
Napaka.
Hey, go on, do it. See? 1, 2, 3. Kaloy.
Yeah!
10 out of 10, man. 10 out of 10.
Nice job, man.
Fuck, man. What do you eat, man?
Well done. That was good.
Di ba tapos, man?
No, man. Sino ba nagda-dance na to eh? Nagda-dance na to.
Nag-maintenance, man.
Ano ba nangyari dito?